What's good, y'all? It's your girl Paradise. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, we doing multiple videos today. And as you can see, I had to put my jacket on because I got extremely cold. Okay, turned off the AC and I'm still cold. So yeah, for those that are new to my channel, hey, welcome. Disregard all this and what's on the stairs. That's giveaway. Another bag of giveaway. And right now I'm getting ready for an event. So I have stuff everywhere. So disregard. Just focus to this point. Me and there we go. Just focus on all that. So as you've seen in my last video, if you've seen it, shouts out to Life with Anthony. That's what's on right now. Hold on, y'all. My voice is dry. Naked. I love those. Those are so good. So, I was very sad and I gotta hurry up with this video because I need to get to the bank. I hope it's still open. But I had to basically go through my binders and take money out so that I can see if I had enough to pay my rent and some bills that's due like this first week of the month. So, you guys, I'm happy to say we did it. We did it, y'all. And I had to go through 1, 2, 3 binders and take everything out of 3 binders. And I had to take out of my 100-day challenge. I took out the 50, 51, the 20, the 19, and the 18, and the 13 day. So, and we made it. Like I said, we made it. So, rent for the month of August, boom, here you are. It is paid. So now I am going through this binder because we have bills that's due for my business. 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. $26. Oh, that's what I was finna look. I need to look and see. Give me 1 second. Put them rubber bands back up. Yeah, I'm really trying to get stuff organized. I'm trying to clean. Like, my head has just been like, I want to just scream. Like, honestly, doing this stuff, living life by yourself is not cool. I'm just put it out there. The single life, yeah, some people glorify it and make it happen, but it's not. It's not. I'm sorry. I don't miss the person I was married to. Period, point blank. I don't miss him at all. But I miss being married and what came with it. Or being in a relationship, like taking the garbage out, or if I'm tired and I don't feel like cooking, he cooks, you know, just to have that person that like can take a load off your shoulder. Because like lately, yeah, I've been wanting to scream, cry, just even before I even start taking everything out, I like felt like the spirit of depression starting to come over me. And it's just not cool. Not cool at all. Let's set this to the side. So I don't know how I'm finna fit it all in my purse, but I gotta hurry up. Even though this bank closes at 4. So I'm not gonna even make it to Bank of America. I hate that. And it's a Friday too. But yeah, I don't care what nobody say. Like, to have to, excuse me, do life by myself, it sucks. It really sucks. Like, But then I don't want to be so focused on living life with someone to where they're, how can I say, not boring, but I don't want to settle. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't want to settle at okay. Oh my gosh. That was okay, July. I'm like, how is both of them went through? All right. That went through and it put me in the negative. Okay. That's what happens when you don't go to the bank on time. It was due yesterday on the 1st, and I did not make it to the bank, so today I am going to get to the bank and put it in there. I need $5 more. So yeah, I'm just, like I said, I have to go through this anyway because I need to, let me see, do I got the 5 somewhere? I need to get some supplies. So I can make my hair stuff. I don't want to take from there, but damn, that do has a solid 5. Let's see. What else? I'll take from business trip. Because we ain't going on no trip. We is not going on a trip. Here you go. I'll bring y'all down some. My bad. Y'all was supposed to let me know. Can you see? Alright. What's that? Canva bills. That's what we're trying to do. So, let's see. 8-2. We're going to say... I'm just going to put it as a fee / Canva. And we're going to do $5. And it's going to leave us with $1 in here, but it's cool. Alright, so we got our Canva bill paid. We got our monthly what am I trying to say? We have our monthly bill, BOA. This is our fee. Fee / Canva. I do this so I know what's when I grab it out of my purse, I know where it's going. Alright. Alright, y'all. Let's see if I could just put this under this rubber band, if it'll work. So I can give it to the telly. That'll work. Alright. Let's see. Boom, that's taken care of. Now we are still $90 short. But we're not $90 short. I just have to go through some more binders and see what we can come up so that we can take care of our phone bill and ring, because those are the other 2 bills. Let's see. that will be coming up before my payday. So yeah, ring and the phone bill. So have to get that taken care of. But as of right now, I don't know. Y'all see this? My calendar just went crazy. As of right now, we have the other stuff done. And now it is time to leave and go work on some stuff. So, all right, y'all. Thank you. Thank you for your prayers. We made it, y'all. Woo! We made it. So, guess what? We get to have a roof over our head for the month of August. And we're going to get the other bills paid. They're not due yet, so thank you, because, whew. But we get to have a roof over our head. Yeah. So I'm grateful. I am so ecstatic. Yeah, I'm excited. So now it's time to hurry up and get to the bank, because it's 5:28. So get to the bank, get a money order so I could pay rent. I think the office already closed, but it's all right. And then head to my cousin's house so I can get some work done and get these things done. And you guys will be able to see that as well. Me working on some stuff for this pop-up shop. And also, then I'm probably going to call it a night. Then tomorrow I'll probably work on my teas because it's time to get those packed. And then we got to do our hair stuff because, as you can see, the shelf is looking lonely. So, all right, y'all. It's your girl, Paradise. Thank you for watching. I will ask that you kindly like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend and tell a friend, because we gets it in over here. And always remember to grind, hustle, and execute. All right, y'all. It's your girl, Paradise, and I'm out. Peace.